Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe on your way out and also give this video a thumbs up. And what we're going to be talking about today is my microblading experience. Essentially what microblading is they take a tiny little scalpel and they draw in brow-like strokes. So it is a permanent makeup technique. So we're going to go ahead and get into some of the questions that some people were asking, like if it was painful, how the process was. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. We're going to see some footage from the day I got microblading, and then I'll go ahead and answer those questions. So go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, so this is how I'm looking. So she put some more numbing and something to help calm any swelling, and then we're going to go in for round 2. Didn't hurt. It's more so your body, or as far as what happened with me, my adrenaline kicked in, so it's not painful. It's not unbearable. It reminds me of when you first start to tweeze your brows and just how that felt. It kind of feels like that, just a little bit of a longer period. It's not bad. So I have a very low tolerance for pain, so it was fine. It's very calming in here, so there's some calming music. And basically what I did was they started to put some numbing cream on me, and then they left that on my face for I think 20 to 30 minutes, and then in-depth consultation. And we talked about the type of brow that I wanted. I could show pictures, and she does measure everything according to your face. She gave me some aftercare instructions. We made an appointment for my next appointment, which is in 30 days. So this is a two-step process. So in 30 days, everything should have healed. Everything that you're seeing right now is a little bit darker than what it's actually going to be. I'm really actually pleasantly surprised of how they look today. I thought that there was going to be a little bit more swelling, a little bit more redness, but I actually was swollen and red just within the first hour or so afterwards. The cost for this at specific place, which was Glow, is $450. And they do have other type of permanent makeup there. So if you do want to know more information, I'll link their information down below. So I'm going to give you guys an updated video after that, just to kind of let you know my final thoughts and show you the end results. But I do highly recommend this to anyone who is like me in my position. If you guys hadn't seen my how I draw my brows video, I'll link it down below. The time and effort that I did have to take for my brows to get them the way that I wanted. So for me, this was truly an investment that's worth it. This is going to save me so much time in the morning getting ready. And so if you guys are in the area, I highly recommend Glow. Jonelle was wonderful. She's the one who did my brows. I'm going to get closer for you guys. Let me know if you guys have any further questions that I didn't cover, and just ask me in the comments below. And make sure you're subscribed so you guys can see my updated video in about a month. And thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.